Welcome to this week's maker vlog. This week is going to be some more 3D printing. The last vlog, I said that we had something happen, and what happened was that I showed my product to somebody in the industry in an effort to be able to start selling them through them, and they informed me about how I'm probably violating a patent, and the person that has that patent would definitely enforce it, blah, blah, blah. Could I change that part of the design? Sure. But another part of my design, it was recommended to pursue a patent. So we're going to look into that beforehand, before I do anything else with it. I'm still going to use it for myself, but I just can't sell it at this point. Basically, I need to find another way for these to pay for themselves. And I'm not doing flexi dragons. We got to fix the lawnmower. Yep. Fixing the lawnmower with 3D printing. As you can see, wheel is off. And there she is. This wheel's stupid. Anyway, had a flat. I bought a new tube for it, put the tube in. Tube also had a hole in it. I wanted to burn it to the ground. But instead, I went ahead and I bought a pair of new wheels and tires here. However, turns out a difference. They're not as wide as the other ones. So the other ones had these spacers on it, and when they were on there, they come out here like this. This one does not. It needs to be wider. So I went ahead and I took some measurements, and we're gonna go inside and 3D print some. So let's get that done. I figure I got the three of them sitting here. So I have two of them being printed on the P1S and one on each of the Thing 1 and Thing 2. So we'll knock out all four pretty quick. I designed this in Bambu Studio, and I recently did a video about how to design simple parts like this in Bambu Studio. So I'll put a link in the description for this one. All right, let's see what we got. All right, yep, that works. And two of them will take up all that space. So very cool. So one's gonna go on each side, obviously. Let's get it installed. One on that side, one on that side. Wheel turns and is centered. Time to do the other side. There we have the other front wheel done. Yes, they're backwards from the other side because this spacer here was like stuck onto the axle and wouldn't move, so no big deal. Just swap the spacers. We're back ready to mow. The yard looks like garbage, so this has to get done. Well, I just finished mowing 4.5 acres, so let's check them out and see if they survived. And that one's looking good. That one's looking good. Let's go over here. That one in there's looking good. And let's go this way. That one's looking good. So 3D printing to the rescue again. Ranger, you want to go get birds? You do? Okay. Ready? All right. Go get them. Go get them.
Oh my God! Ranger just said, get the heck off my lawn!
Good boy, Ranger. All right, well, let's see here. First test of the light box. The colors aren't right, but it looks good. You got some weird fuzzies down here in the corner, but other than that, looks nice. Okay, that's acceptable. We can deal with that. Yeah, that's not good. Oh shit. Oh, I know what happened. Okay. This is my fault. We're gonna have to fix that. Just realizing that I set the print to print PLA settings, and that's Betchy. So that sucks. We're gonna have to clean that. Damn it. Holy crap. I got off so easy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will not look gift horse in the mouth. It just came right off. It wasn't stuck to anything. It wasn't stuck to it or anything. Oh, got so lucky there. So I have it starting to print the back piece again. But I was looking at this, trying to figure out what's going on here. And because that's the green poking out the side. And if you look a little bit closer, you can see there's some ghosted images. It looks like there was a layer shift for that last layer, which is kind of weird. Because you would think if there was a layer shift, it would have shifted the entire thing and not just that. But and it was only for that color. So kind of weird. All right, well, I have to figure that out. Oh, and I figured out why the colors were in the wrong spots, because I had them in the wrong spots in the AMS. So.
Uh-oh.